Hi there, it's Kev from Data Sites, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Xero entities and set up your tracking categories and start syncing your data. So you would already have an account at your data hub. You would already have a cloud database, and so let's get stuck into the connectors. Whilst we've got loads of connectors, we're focusing on Xero because we love Xero, and that's what this is all about. Here we've already got a file connected, the demo company AU. So what I'm going to do is add another one. Let's just call this demo company. Let's select accrual, and let's go nuts and go payroll data as well. And then you'll see up pops this little connect button, which is super handy. And then away we go. All right, so now we're going off to Xero and we're saying, hey Xero, we're a standard user with reporting checked or an advisor. Let's go and hook up our file, allow access, and there we are. Simple as that. Now, because we've got a tracking category selected, we've got a tracking category in our Xero file. If we had two tracking categories, they would both pop up. That's the name of our tracking category. We select that, save, and now we are ready to sync. So we come over here to the data syncs. We already have a Xero one, so let's just pretend that doesn't exist. So let's get rid of that one. You can see we do a bunch of different data syncs into our own database, which is good. Dentist with now shiny teeth. And so we select Xero from the integrations list. We do have lots of different kinds of essentially syncs. We can, as you know, Xero Sync is everything. Payroll is just payroll. Reports only reports and invoices. At the end of the day, we're in control of our own services. Obviously, we've built them from scratch. So if there's a specific data set that you say I want to run every 15 minutes, for example, or you've got a really large Xero file and you just want to bring in certain bits of data, we just hit us up, have a chat, and we can create you one bespoke to your needs. So in this one, we'll do a full Xero sync, and we'll do it instead of hourly, we do it daily, sort of at around 6 p.m. Eastern Australian Standard Time, and that's it. Off we go. Now that that's been added, you can either choose to trigger your sync now or just wait for the refresh to happen. So let's go crazy, trigger a sync, and off we go. So that's the video. Any questions, anytime, as always, Slack, Teams, website chat, email, phone call. We're here to help guide you to 100% report automation, no matter what stage of the journey you are. Okay. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.